Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this super refreshing healthy morning juice. It is called ABC juice. A is for apple, B is for beetroot, while C is for carrot. I always take this in the morning before food. Most times when I drink this, I don't eat till lunch because it gives me energy to carry on the day. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Here are the ingredients I will be using in making this healthy and delicious ABC juice. I'll be using 2 apples, 1 beetroot. The beetroot is quite big, so I'm using just 1. I'll be using 6 carrots and ginger. I love beetroot juice because beetroot itself has a whole lot of healthy benefits. It is packed with essential nutrients. Beetroots are a great source of fiber. It's a great source of folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroot and beetroot juice has been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increased exercise performance. I don't joke with beetroot at all. I don't. Beetroot juice plays an important role in opening the blood vessel and also increase the flow of oxygen throughout the body, which makes you feel more energetic and active. This is the reason why it's advisable to drink beetroot juice in the morning to help your sleepy organs wake up. In case you want to make yours, try and drink it in the morning. You will feel the energy throughout the day.
The words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame.
Onto the carrots. I'm preparing it now so that it will be easy for me to blend. Let me talk about some benefits of carrots. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. Carrots are weight loss friendly food and have been linked to lower cholesterol level and improved eye health.
Into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
So this is my third ingredient, which is apple. I'm preparing it, cutting it so that it will be easy for me to blend. Apple is known to prevent constipation and diarrhea. It's good for weight loss. It keep the heart healthy. To mention few, it has a whole lot of healthy benefits, a whole lot of good benefits for the skin, for the body as a whole.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh. veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play.
Our juice is finally ready. Look at that. It's so tasty. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Please. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.